Good Lord.
Sir, you are a
If you are so confident about me, why are you inviting me?
Sir, I have great respect for you. It's Friday
And
evening,
you have friends
sir.
who are laughing like,
Oh, God.
as if they are...
Sir, they are
no
not.
sense of debate. They are
We are not allowed to
unnecessarily
laugh
laughing
on a
over
program
nothing.
now.
Sir, they are not laughing like that at
I
you,
mean,
please.
This is very frightening.
Acha, 1 minute. One
No,
minute.
only madmen laughs without reason. They are entitled to do that.
No, sir.
Ways of expressing ourselves. I'm sorry.
No, you are
Mr.
entitled.
Vyas.
And I am entitled to my own expression, gentlemen.
Okay.
If you are entitled
Please
to
do,
your
please
expression,
do.
I
I
am
have not-
entitled to my
I have
expression.
not
Please
objected
stop
to your
making
expression.
comments.
Now, what are we talking about, gentlemen? My question to Medha Patkar said, 1 minute. Medha Patkar said,
ridiculous.
Medha Patkar said
And
this is
I
a new
take
kind
offense
of
to this.
politics. One sec. Medha Patkar said this is a new kind of politics. Fine. Where people can meet
mind
people
your
directly.
business.
1 second, please. Where people can meet people directly. Okay? You have to have this kind of interaction, this communication. Medha Patkar says a great thing. Great. But then I remember when Arvind Kejriwal came in, he locked in the gates after the first collapse, Jan Darbar or something. And then he said there are only a few fixed dates when people can meet me directly. So why he had the different process when he was chief minister? People couldn't walk in and meet him directly. Nobody could come when Arvind Kejriwal was chief minister straight at the gate and say, you know what, I have a complaint and a grievance. I am going to meet Arvind Kejriwal directly. He gave fixed timings. And he said, I can only meet on fixed dates. So how come, I'm just surprised, Medha Patkar, how this new style of politics was not applied by the Aam Aadmi Party when it was in power?
No, Modi could have responded. Modi ji could have said that,
No,
okay, I'm not available today, but I will be available at this time. As Arvind Kejriwal did it to the Janata of Delhi.
No.
And mind you, Arnab, a whole audience is watching and they watch the whole behavior of the Aam Aadmi Party.
No, but they have-
government. And even the peon at the Sachivalaya said that
Janarayan,
neither Sheila Dikshit nor any of the former chief ministers said hello to him when they entered the Sachivalaya.
No,
Nor did the minister ever
first of
come
all,
down to do the
Medha
work.
Patkar, no, I have one thing to say to Medha Patkar. Medha Patkar, 1 minute. Medha, two hands go up. First of all, Medha Patkar, Modi is not a doctor. Modi is not a doctor and Kejriwal is not a patient. Gaurav Bhatia is a rebut. Gaurav, yes. That he has to meet him in an emergency. Yeah.
No, Arnab used to always, Arvind Kejriwal used to always say, "Meri auqat kya hai?" And today, both the incidents actually are a slap on his own face. And he has shown when he's flying a private charter plane, then how can he say, "Meri auqat kya hai?" Aam Aadmi Party or Aam Aadmis don't fly in charter planes. And then secondly, today again, he is destroying institutions
but here-
without giving a better institution. So how can you
hang
destroy
on.
institutions?
Can I,
He is
Arnab,
the
let me
Chief
say
Minister
something to
of it.
Gaurav Bhatia. You know,
You can say,
let me
Sabha,
say
when
to
I am
Gaurav
done,
Bhatia,
I
I
would
find
just
it
request
very
you to be
rich when
patient. Let me just complete
you know, I would
myself
say-
and
I
then you
would
will
just
get a
want to
chance.
say that
All
for
I'm
the
saying
Samajwadi
is
Party,
that by
yeah.
being an anarchist
Okay.
and by saying that I'll fight against the CM, I'll be on the road with my blue Wagoner, you are actually destroying institutions and you are giving no better institution. So we'll be left with nothing and complete
No, I
anarchy.
think we are.
And
I
that
think
is
we
the
are
point
moving
I want
away.
to make.
I think we are moving away. We are moving from the issue of.
No, listen.
Arnab, can I come in?
Okay, the Congress spokesperson. I think, gentlemen, ladies and
I
gentlemen,
find
let's
the
remain restricted on the
self-righteousness-
issue of.
Okay.
Today, what happened is very simple.
The issue-
Manish,
Arnab,
no,
we are
1
getting
second. Manish
distracted by the
Sisodia.
issue here.
A point, 1 second. Manish Sisodia says Arvind Kejriwal is the ex-chief minister of Delhi. But still he was not allowed to enter Modi's office. It's like saying Santosh Bhatti, that eccentric ex-chief minister, ex-minister of Delhi, is an ex-minister. Even the police aren't even listening to him. In other words, Arvind Kejriwal used to say, I'm an Aam Aadmi, but when he goes to Narendra Modi's house, he says the process for a meeting can be bypassed because I'm a Purv Mukhyamantri. So on two occasions today, he's not behaving like the Aam Aadmi. These are his own contradictions. Yes, now to Mr.
Let
Amin.
Mr. Kejriwal first show which ex-chief minister has behaved in the fashion he has behaved.
This debate has gone off on a completely different track. The real issue here that Arvind Kejriwal is he doesn't have a message to take to the people. How does he grab headlines? And sure enough, the media, including your show, Arnab, has fallen into that trap. You're giving him media space over issues that are completely guerrilla tactics.
What about
That's the real issue.
what about Mr. Amin? Can I ask you?
Arnab,
What about your senior party leaders? Why have they gone soft on Arvind Kejriwal? Please explain that today. That's one of the biggest mysteries nationally across the entire country. That is
sorry.
what
Allow me
sorry.
Kapil Sibal is in defense
No
of Arvind
Congress leader has
Kejriwal.
gone soft on Arvind Kejriwal.
Because he has to contest
You are
from
wrong,
Chandni Chowk.
Arnab. No Congress leader has gone soft on Arvind Kejriwal.
I will tell you-
The only thing we welcome is questioning the Gujarat model and why Narendra Modi is not answering. And that is welcome.
Several of your Congress leaders have gone soft on Arvind Kejriwal. Kapil Sibal was soft on Arvind Kejriwal. Your leader Shakti Singh Goyal in Gujarat was soft on Arvind Kejriwal. Another top leader who refused to come on camera, he told our reporter, why should I speak about travelling on private planes? What wrong has Arvind Kejriwal has done? All of us travel on private planes. Let Arvind Kejriwal
Arnab,
also
you are
travel on
wrong.
private planes. Tell me
Sorry.
Tell me, besides you, which senior
Arnab,
Congress leader has come out
Sorry,
today?
you are wrong. Arvind Kejriwal is wrong.
You see, today
He's
Sheila
been
Dikshit has
duplicitous.
happily
We have
gone.
come out very
Sheila
clearly
Dikshit,
against that.
Sheila Dikshit faces
We have
no.
absolutely come out very clearly against that, Arnab. The
did-
question here is Arvind Kejriwal trying to do your stunt tactic to grab media space, which is exactly the trap that you are falling to, Arnab, because look at this debate. This debate has been all hinged around Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal over an issue that he has created. You think Arvind Kejriwal doesn't know that when he goes to Gujarat,
funny.
in a state
Very
where
funny.
anti-terrorism squads are put against women and against fake
Do you-
encounters, he's not going to face
Do you
resistance. There is not
do you
an issue.
believe?
It is completely premeditated, Arnab.
Do
You're
you
falling into
believe?
his trap.
You haven't answered my question. Why have all Congress leaders gone soft on Arvind Kejriwal? Name one topmost Congress leader who has
I'm telling
questioned
you,
his
Arnab, there's
tactics
no
today.
Congress leader who has gone soft.
Name
We
one.
are saying that Arvind Kejriwal should be allowed to go into Gujarat. How is that going soft on Arvind Kejriwal?
Well,
That is going hard on Mr. Narendra Modi.
And they're saying he can travel by private jets. What about that?
Who said he can travel by
Well,
private
senior
jet?
Congress leaders who ran away from our cameras today, Mr. Amin.
Anything else?
I don't know senior Congress leaders, Arnab.
Why are you?
You're
Why is
what
the
Aam Aadmi Party does.
no? But Mr. Zani, why is the Congress? Why is the Congress party? Why is
Just make
the
allegations.
why is the Congress party is in such eager defense of Arvind Kejriwal? What is explaining this? Just explain the politics of it to me.
We are not defending Arvind Kejriwal. I just said it on your show. Arnab, I just said it on your show a minute ago that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is being duplicitous. I don't know what you're talking about.
No, you are the. I'm asked you why which senior Congress leader has said the same thing. Name one. Okay, name one.
Which senior Congress leader?
Name
Arnab?
one.
I'm saying it. Mr. Shakti Singh Goyal has said it.
Name one senior Congress leader who has questioned Arvind Kejriwal. Just name one. Name one.
This is a very strange request that you have. Arnab.
Name
You
one.
make
Name.
an allegation,
Is it
but
Chidambaram
it doesn't
mentioned? Did
exist.
Chidambaram talk about him? Did Kapil Sibal talk about him? Did AK Antony talk about him?
I don't know how many other Congress leaders are speaking and what, but I'm telling you on your show, on a national show, that what he's doing is duplicitous. I don't see, I mean, how unequivocal can I get?
Well, not one senior Congress leader spoke about it. Not one, Mr. Amin.
Have you gone and talked to them?
No. Is it?
Have you gone and talked to them? Arnab?
No. With Sheila Dikshit going and ensconced
This
as
is a
the
very strange question you're asking me.
with Sheila Dikshit ensconced as the governor of Kerala, right? With Arvind Kejriwal not having spoken about Sheila Dikshit, which was his number one
Sheila
agenda
Dikshit-
before the elections.
Arnab,
The
unlike
point
the
is, had this
Bharatiya
been
Janata
Mr.
Party,
Modi, my
unlike
question
the
to
Bharatiya Janata Party, where there is only
question
one
to
leader.
Mr. Amin
No, I'm only asking
and
questions.
many
Mr.
leaders,
Modi, the
you can go
entire
to any
Congress
of them.
bandwagon would have jumped in. Why is this not being done in the case of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal? When a single smallest of leaders from the BJP say does something, you all bounce in full attack.
Mr. Rahul,
why would you leave? Why would you
Mr.
want to
Rahul,
leave?
you're wrong.
Mr. Arvind
Mr.
Kejriwal.
Modi is traveling by private jets every single day.
Mr.
Modi
Amin,
is traveling by
Mr.
private
Amin,
jets of Adani every
traveling
single
by
day.
private jet
The
is
Congress
hardly
party
something the Congress
has
party can
officially
attack
asked for the
on.
count.
Because even the smallest MLA from Congress party travels by a private jet. So that's hardly an issue you can attack anyone on. But the point is,
Rahul,
hear me out, hear me out.
Please make specific statements. Which
Hear me
MLA?
out.
Which MLA? When?
Mr. Amin, I will give you
Anyways.
a long list. This show won't be enough if I start with the list. Number two.
Please give it to me.
Number two, I will
Please
fact
give
check
me
you
the list,
personally.
Rahul.
Don't worry about
Don't
that.
make random
I will
allegations.
fact check you personally. Now the point is,
I'm not worried. Trust me, I'm not worried.
We've seen the way.
Okay, gentlemen.
We've seen the way the Congress party has left no opportunity to attack
What?
every incident that the Bharatiya Janata Party or the opposition
my-
has been involved with. Why have you not come down with the same force on Arvind Kejriwal?
My final question. This is not a BJP Congress debate. Mr. Amin.
What can I say?
Mr. Amin.
Arnab,
That
the
is
answer
precisely
is
the point.
clear.
Yeah, got
It
it.
suits the Congress also. It suits the Congress also not to attack Mr. Arvind Kejriwal wherever he is taking the might of the BJP. And that is why this tacit understanding. But I think
don't
we are
understand.
debating the larger
I'm attacking the
principle
Aam Aadmi
of
Party. I'm attacking
hypocrisy.
I'll let Medha Patkar respond to that. Medha Patkar and Kamal Mitra Chenoy. Medha Patkar and Kamal Mitra Chenoy. The Samajwadi Party says there's a tacit understanding between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party. I'll take your response and then close.
This is the gorilla
One minute
of
now.
the Congress party.
That's absolutely irrational and baseless allegation. I don't expect Samajwadi Party
Arnab, I wish to say
to make
something.
those kinds of things. But Arnab, I think we are on a non-issue really. You know, if at all once a while he has taken the jet, which I don't approve personally, and I think next time it should be avoided.
Once a while? No, what do you mean, once a while take a jet?
But I'm saying,
Once a while take a private jet?
And everyone
Medha ji,
would
do
not
you
say
approve of
anything
the
against
anarchy
it.
that he is spreading in the nation?
Arnab,
Do you approve of the anarchy
just want
that
to
he is
make
No,
one
spreading
it's
in the
not
nation?
anarchy. By the
Arnab,
way,
one
in
point.
political science, anarchy means transformation and the stage towards
Yes.
transformation of the system.
Well,
But I don't
Anarchy
want to go
also
into that
means that
debate.
if you don't
Why
follow the
Congress
rule
cannot
of the land, if
what?
he's not following any rule that is prevailing in India.
Arnab, just
When it comes to meeting the chief minister, he wants to barge in.
Arnab,
He
one
wants
point.
to sleep on
Can
a
I say
road
one
protest when
point?
he's the chief minister.
You see, the main question is why didn't Modi
Arnab, I
ji
just wanted to say
answer
one
the
thing,
questions
Arnab.
raised? That is more important, the question. He could have sent a written reply, he would have said, and this kind of dialogue-based politics, as I said, must be approved and appreciated.
the answer, okay, one second, Medha Patkar, the answer comes from your party leader Manish Sisodia, who said the Chief Minister, Additional Secretary asked me to give a written request for a meeting and said that it will be decided after that. So that is what Mr. Sisodia said. So if he said that, I don't understand what's all the drama about. That's Manish Sisodia. Then what? If that is what he said, what is all this accompanying
I
drama?
was not in that
No, what was all this accompanying drama?
not
It
in
is
that
respect for that
situation.
constitutional position.
What is
that
this?
Mr.
Maybe
Modi
the
took.
What is this drama? How much more drama? How much more drama?
Decide to go straight.
But how much more drama? After all, even drama has to have some Lakshman
I
Rekhas.
think it may be. And sometimes the
But
media...
when there is no program and when there is
Anyway.
no content, you need to only have drama. How will you carry the show on otherwise?
Okay, well, I put this.
Acting as a ventilator to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. The media should not act as a ventilator. He will die his own death.
And the question to the viewers is, and the question to the viewers is, what will a series of stunts? What will a series of stunts get people in real terms? Can stunts bring down prices? Can stunts provide jobs? Can stunts end corruption? Can stunts undo the wrongs of caste and religion? Can stunts impress 100 million new voters in India? If it can't, then should there be an end to stunts after a point of time? That question goes to all News Hour viewers.
You
Thanks for
debate
that.
Those issues should be debated.
Of course.
Those are the
Then
issues
end the
to be debated.
stunts.
You are right.
Then end the stunts. He has to bring those issues up. Those issues can be brought up without stunts. Miss Medha Patkar, there have been far too many stunts.
ways of approaching.
I would only be a
Arnab, I think there is
Kamal Mitra Chenoy, there are ways.
The guys who are doing stuff.
But if there are too many stunts, people won't take you seriously anymore. That's all. Okay, thank you. We can agree to disagree. I thank everyone for joining me on that debate. Thank you.